Baby, I know y'all are going to love this video. We are talking about styling camo, honey. So let's go ahead and get off into it. Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. Hey y'all, so we are talking styling camo, honey. If you know nothing else, camo is a neutral and you should have a piece or two in your closet, honey. We're gonna have a little fun in this video, okay? So to all my cousins who are new here on the channel, honey, my name is Shauna T. And baby, we talk about all things plus size fashion. We talk about Jesus and everything in between, honey, and just living your best life. So do me a couple, 2-3 things. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below, baby, because you know I'm going to talk back. Okay, cousins, so I got my phone, honey, because we got some notes. We are talking styling camo, honey. Yes. So cousins, camo is a neutral that you should have in your closet, whether it's a camo dress, skirt, pants, shorts, top, right? Because camo can go with so many different things. And me personally, I am actually getting off into styling myself more with patterns and things that are flattering overall, honey. So of course, honey, as I learn, I'm just gonna come and bring it to y'all, okay? So let's get off into our very first look, which is a camo skirt. So y'all, I picked this camo skirt up from Shein, honey, for the low, okay? I think it was like $12, all right? Got this camo skirt from Shein, and I went in and paired it with a white button-down top that I picked up from Torrid. And then, of course, I just have on my big chunky jewelry as far as my rings and also my bracelets with this look. Paired with my Adidas as well, red and white Adidas, y'all. Now these are men Adidas that I have on, so if y'all are a Bigfoot baddie like me, in men's sizes, I either wear a 10.5 or an 11 when it comes to sneakers. So I just thought I'd let y'all know that because they didn't have none of the red and white ones in my size on the women's side of the fence, okay? Now my bag, y'all, is from Aldo. This is an older bag that I picked up from them, and I just turned it into a cross body. And then of course, baby, yes, you already know, honey, I had to go and play with Amazon a little bit and grab these sunnies that came from Amazon. So y'all let me know, honey, would you rock this look? Now to me, of course, this is more of a subtle classic look, right? Because the camo is a neutral, the white, and then of course red as well can be paired with so many things. So definitely let me know how y'all feel about this look. Now the second look, y'all, is actually just an honorable mention. I've actually worn this look before. So for those of you who know, honey, I used to own a women's plus size boutique. So this particular dress is actually what it is. It came from the boutique when I had the boutique, y'all. And I just actually took the dress and I was like, you know what? I wonder, can I go in and play this as a shirt? And guess what? It turned out cute. Paired it with some jeans and then put on my blue heels just to give it a little pop of color, honey, and paired it with my little blue bag that I picked up from Amazon. So cousins, if you actually have a dress in your closet or even a skirt that you can actually turn into a top, please go ahead and try that out. That's why I call this an honorable mention look, because you can definitely go in and play with your dresses or your skirts and turn them into tops and or a dress. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about that, and let me know if you guys like this look. Hey cousins, listen, have you went in and joined the Cousin Crew? What is the Cousin Crew? It's our email and also text list for me to be able to connect with you outside of social media. And also because I am planning a cousin meetup here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So if you are in Dallas or if you are out of town, honey, you're like, you know what, I don't want to miss that, and you want to come on in, please come on in, okay? Go ahead and join the Cousin Crew, which are our email and text list. And then also just for me to be able to keep you updated with different fashion things and also inspiration as well, honey, because y'all know I love the Lord, so I send you a little word via the email, okay? So you guys can go ahead and join the Cousin Crew. I have that link down below to get your email and also your phone number. Now, baby, let's get back to the good stuff. Now, y'all, these next two looks, these are really going to be fall inspiration, okay? I know that it's hot outside, so just save this video, tuck it in your back pocket, but I had to get these two looks out to y'all. Now this look here is actually a full look that is from Amazon. I mean, everything I have on. So the blazer, of course, I got the blazer in a size 3X. It is very much so roomy. Now the top that I have on is actually a black and white stripe button down. It's a men's shirt because I don't know what they're doing with the women's stuff, honey. My arms was all tight and stuff, and I didn't like this. So I went over to the men's side and got me one. Do get it in a size 3X. When I got the 4X was way too big. So I'm just telling you all, do get it in a size 3X. And then, of course, my camo pants, which are from Amazon as well. These pants, y'all, get them in a 5X because they do run super, super small. And as y'all know, I typically wear a 3X or either a 4X, child, just some down depending, baby. It just some down depends, okay? Who making it and where it's come from on what size that I'm actually gonna wear, all right? And then, of course, I went in and I have on my Nike, like these are like a lime, well, they not lime green, but I don't know what kind of green this is in these sneakers. But they are my low top Nike dunks with this look. And then, of course, I went in and paired this with my cow print, is what I call them, prescription glasses. Now with this look, I definitely say, baby, we're going to work. We're going to somebody's job on a Friday, or whether you have a meeting that you need to attend. I think that this right here would definitely make you stand out at work, or either like if you're going to a meeting. Oh, child, really, you can wear whenever you want to, honey. It ain't got to be for no meeting or for work, okay? But this look, y'all, is very comfortable for me, but I definitely would wear this particular look out. Now, I went in and I played with the colors a lot off in this particular look for the simple fact of the striped button-down shirt and then also the camo pants as well, right? Because you typically don't mix prints, but with this look, we went in and we definitely mixed the prints, and I also even played with the prints when it came to the glasses as well by going in and pairing it with the cow print glasses. So y'all definitely let me know what y'all think down in the comment section, okay? Our next look is also fall inspiration too, honey. I know it's still a little warm, but I went in, took the camo pants. I kept on the same shoes, y'all, but I just went in and did a white button-down shirt. I especially did this for my cousins who's like, girl, ooh, them too many prints, there's too much going on. So a plain white button-down shirt will always win, okay? Paired it with this denim jacket that I picked up from Fashion Nova. Y'all, this jacket actually came from the men's side of Fashion Nova. Just to let y'all know, it's in a size 3X on the men's side, and it fits me just fine. And you probably wouldn't even know that it was a men's jacket if I hadn't told you, all right? Now, also, I said I wanted to actually wear this with a cap, probably like when it gets in fall and I go in and change my hair, honey, and I'll probably have me a good old bust down going on, a long bust down. But I just wanted to kind of show you all the look with the hat. Even though I had braids, I can't push it all the way down on my head. But let me know what y'all think about this look as well, and how would you wear your hair? Would you go in and wear your hair with a cap, or you like, nah, I'm really not a hat girl? So let's get off into our shorts because it's thighs out all summer. So yes, these are some camo shorts that came from Amazon as well. These camo shorts, y'all, are from the men's section, okay? Because I got all the legs, hips, and surprise at the back. So these camo shorts, y'all, are actually in a size 50 on the men's side. So if y'all wear my size and you like me and you got a lot of legs, hips, and surprise at the back, then go ahead and grab these, all right? Now, this vest, this denim look is a Pinterest-inspired look, all right, with the denim vest. I saw this on Pinterest and I was like, I can put this together with this little 1-2 number. I was like, yes, ma'am, serve the gods, okay? Now, when it comes to the shoes, y'all, this shoe heel, Lord have mercy, this heel that I'm wearing, y'all, it's a 6-inch heel, honey. So for all my cousins, they be like, girl, what size and what height is that heel? It's 6 inches, okay? These shoes actually came from Amazon. This is a vendor that I always order from because they make a comfortable shoe for my foot because the heel is thick and it also has the little slight wedge on the shoe as well. And I have this shoe in multiple colors, this same style shoe, because Once we like it, we get it in all of the colors, okay? So this shoe, then I actually took it and paired it with this bag as well that came from Amazon. So I felt like this right here got as close as I could possibly get to the Pinterest inspired look. And then of course I just kept my hair down with this look and accessorized it with gold jewelry as well. So y'all have to let me know how I did on the plus size edition size. How did I do with this look and it being Pinterest inspired? Now let's get into our second look with the shorts. Now honey, if you don't want to be fast, this look is not for you, honey. Because sometimes I want to be fast and I want to show a little bit of my stomach. Just a little bit, not a whole lot, just a little bit. But y'all, this shirt is from Old Navy. It is a crop shirt and I love the way that this particular crop falls. So if I do want to be fast, I can and show just a little bit of my stomach. Now on the flip side of this, y'all, Old Navy does have a full length button down shirt for all of my cousins who like, girl, I'm not showing my stomach. Give me something that's gonna cover me up. Honey, I didn't forget about y'all. And I didn't. But y'all, got this in a size 3X. And if y'all do not know anything else, buttered yellow is trending this summer. So make sure that y'all grab y'all just a piece of buttered yellow. This is an easy way for you to go in and implement that trend into your wardrobe without going overboard. Now I paired this with my Nike Dunks, the colored ones, of course, just to go in and give it a pop of color. Now y'all, to be honest, I really did not have a bag to go with this look in my repertoire of all the things. Now if I was to wear a bag, I probably would keep it more on the brown color scheme to go in with the yellow and also with the camo in the pants. If I was to go in and do a bag, I don't know, y'all have to let me know your comments and your thoughts down in the comment section. If you will rock a bag, what color bag would you actually go in and rock with this? Because as y'all see, I just accessorized it with my gold jewelry because I didn't really have no purse that I felt like that would match and rock with this particular look. Cousin, you can go in and shop any of these looks that I am telling you about by scanning the QR code right here on the screen, or everything is going to be linked down in the description box below for you to go in and shop the closet. Now also to all of my cousins who are new here on the channel, honey, I normally wear a 22, 24 in my clothes. Sometimes I do have to size up, I have to size down, just depending on who it is actually made by. And to all my cousins who are Bigfoot baddies like me, hey, I wear a size 12 in my shoes, or sometimes I have to go up to a 13, baby, listen, just depending on who it is made by. And my height is 5'5". So I wanted to let you guys know that so that you can better shop and reference yourself based upon me. All right, now let's get into the good stuff, honey. All right, cousins, so that is the end of our episode on Back to the Basics. I want to actually give you just a couple of more honorable mentions when it comes to going in and styling camo print, y'all, because Pinterest really had some really cute looks. I saw camo and cheetah. I saw camo and zebra. Now y'all, I actually have a zebra printed halter dress that I probably gonna have to do like a part 2 to this video, because I really wanted to get in depth of playing with the prints, and all of my things did not come in enough time. So y'all may see a part 2 of this go in and pop up when it comes to styling camo. But I definitely want to do the camo and cheetah, also the camo and zebra print, and then I want to do the camo and also polka dots. Yes, the camo and polka dots, which I absolutely love. So I wanted to tell y'all about those a few honorable mentions when it comes to prints and also styling camo, honey. But cousins, as I tell y'all always, baby, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, honey. And make sure that you do what? Baby, make sure that you own it. Why? Because you belong there.